Ogni Orunoda from Notre Dame University, Bangladesh, performing their play Mukti in the backdrop of the legacy of Rabindranath and Nazrul, a tale of partition that leads to liberation. Give a big round of applause for Ogni Orunoda from Notre Dame University. The two greatest figures of Bengali literature are Rabindranath and Nazrul.
Are they from photography club?
I don't know.
Guruji, come outside at once. I'll kill you today.
রবি ঠাকুর চলে এসেছে।
সাজিদ ভাইয়া ওই পাশেরটা।
Why are you shouting like a raging bull?
এই যে শুরু করে দিচ্ছে সুমাইয়া শুরু করে
চুপ
দিচ্ছে।
থাকবি তুই।
There is no chance to be calm. Listen, this is the call of revelation
এই
that has arisen from my hands.
বলবীর বল উন্নত মম শির শির নেহারি আমার মতো শির ওই শিখর হিমাদ্রির বলবীর
না অ্যাকচুয়ালি পিছনের জন্য লাগতো।
Yes, sir. You will truly feel me. I am really enchanted after hearing your poem. There is no doubt that you will become a world famous poet.
Poet? That wasn't a poem, Guruji. That was rebellion. That was the ultimate call for breaking the chains of slavery. That was the call for freedom.
সামনে একটা নজরুল।
I appreciate your spirit, but a nation whose homes are in darkness, whose minds are hollow, such a nation has no power in its mother's milk to break chains. That milk turns into poison.
তে
Rabindranath freed Bengali literature from the medieval framework of thought and spread the spirit of the Indian Renaissance to vast origins. And Nazrul became a powerful torchbearer of that tradition. Today, we have dared to combine the spirit of two of their remarkable works, Rabindranath's Mukti and Nazrul's Mukti. This united expression is our drama for today, Mukti.
ওটা অনেক লম্বা লাগতেছে কেন?
আমি কি জানি।
Is anyone there? Can you hear me? Please respond.
আদমি স্যার
Anyone here?
আদমি স্যার
Stop this.
চুপ।
Surely I shouldn't teach you again that raising your voice against the rulers of the country is a crime. I've warned you many times, not again. No traitor will have place in my home. They're calling it a patriotic revolution while really committing crimes.
Those who fight for the country cannot be called rover.
Is it not to speak out against those who made Indians, who gave education, raising your voice against those big talk, demanding shoutouts, becoming extremists? All that will be crushed.
No, Dada. This is not a matter for argument. This is
ও
What happened to you? Can you hear me? What happened to Thakur? Is there any...
Ah, woman! There is no need to shout.
Good morning. Happy birthday, Shawa. People are against the partition of Bengal. The race is strong. Police attacked the battery. One of them is seriously injured.
You are a motherfucker.
Is that so? What is that in your hand, Thakur?
This is a symbol of friendship, symbol of unity. The British government wants to divide our country, just like we Hindus and Muslims alike. We'll tie this red cloth and go to council and show that we Bengalis are one. Our country is one. Our motherland cannot be partitioned.
How foolish. They say they'll topple the mighty power of the British. Fine. I'd really like to see if their roar against ring of just
Oh man. Actually, ওই ডায়লগটা তোরে ডেডিকেট করছে।
জি না ফাজিল
Am I right? Sumaya? Hey.
নো কমেন্টস
No,
এক্স্যাক্টলি
it's exactly over attack করছে।
আহ ম্যান শাট আপ
হচ্ছে দাদি খুব সুন্দর লাগে।
Shubhana is the dutiful daughter and daughter of family. Whatever Evan sees, this is good, that is bad. She accepts it all without protest. Even after about 22 years of marriage with Nikhilesh, the half veil covering her face has never was slit, not even by mistake. Boma? Hey, Boma! Ma, did you call me? Of course I called you. Day and night, this whole house is filled only with gold. Tell me, why did your Baba burden us with such a favor? This whole house is overflowing with piles of medicines. And what? Should all of nature's money be wasted on curing your endless sickness? When you came into this house, you brought nothing with you. Anyway, leave it. Has the cooking been done in the kitchen? And so, like an obedient child, Shubhana lures her weight and moves slowly toward the kitchen. Cooking after eating, eating after cooking. 22 years, her life has been bound to the same cycle, like a well that never stops.
Who is talking behind the stage? রবি ঠাকুর
না এটা
ইয়েস এটা সাজিদ ভাইয়া রবি ঠাকুরের অ্যাপ্লাই করতেছে
My
I'm
son,
not supposed to know him.
the British was becoming aggressive. They show no awareness with anyone. Young adults, even women.
The more they beat us, the stronger we must become. Whips, baton charges, even bullets from guns. Nothing can stop this revolution. Take up the fearless battle cries from Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay's Anandamot, Bande Mataram. Make that our chief slogan, Abdul.
Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
Bande Mataram!
that was good. So কিন্তু অনেক ছিল
ওখানে অনেক সুন্দর হয়
ছিল Is he drunk?
কে জানো?
Maybe. Yeah.
আইসা ম্যাডাম
Anamika, the
AJ,
senior daughter
AJ,
of Taj
Shukla.
family, is intelligent, educated,
Aditya.
and strong-willed. It was this inner strength of Anamika's character that
AJ,
first drew
এই আপুটা Aditya আপু।
toward her.
Anamika,
Who?
it's me, Anamika.
শুনি স্বরকণ্ঠ।
Anamika?
How do you know?
When did you come, Anamika?
Just now. This is for you. If you are going to own, it will be soon.
Foreign still. When we did fight day and night for boycott everything foreign to bring this Anamika, it will deepen my heart.
Anamika, is freedom just about fighting? Does love have no power in your eyes? To freedom doesn't come from the battle within. Rather, it comes from the courage to break the darkness of the heart.
Just like your face.
কি
Enough of your unnecessary jokes. Now, take rest.
Just like your face.
I will wait for you here soon.
এরকম ক্লিয়ারলি মেবি একদম লাস্টে গিয়ে বলা না
ইংলিশে নিয়ে তো অবসেস কিছুই জানে না মাথা নিচে দেবে।
সেটাই
Monica was so
I told you. Confucius.
এদিকে চল দেখি নজরুল
Are you going out?
Yes, there's a change gathering at Koshma.
But you have just returned from the office. Or you will stay with it? Every night you go to the chess gathering. Tonight you feel more less familiar. Why not sit here for a while?
When there is no peace at home, it is natural for one to seek attention outside.
When will you return?
she said
I am also.
I think I should consult her.
You should console everybody.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Their age is climbing
Higher and higher.
Does anyone care? I told my brother many times. Who is that? Hey? Who's that? Who's that?
It's me, Arindam. It's me, Arindam Kishima.
Oh, Arindam. But my age is not enough. Didn't he tell you anything? I I have heard you, young man. You are plotting against Shahid. Are you come here for that or play chess?
No, Bishima. Today, Orinda hasn't come for any chess or not for a secret meeting. He has come here to worship a goddess.
Eh? What is? There is any puja or ritual here?
Oh, all that later, Bishima. You have come all the way from Baliahar. You must be tired. Let's go. Let's take some rest. Didi is in the room. Let's go, Bishi. You must be tired. Didn't you tell me about your rheumatism? How is it?
এরকম একটা শালি দরকার জীবনে, তাই না?
কই দিয়া যায়
যাও কনসার্ট করে আসো।
আমার মুক্তি আলোয় আলোয় এই আকাশে, আমার মুক্তি আলোয় আলোয়।
Anamika? Omka? You are not just singing. You give me peace.
For so long I have been lost in silence, Orinda. By now you should know. No sweet words can swear me. You know, I was worried about you. Breaking chains alone doesn't mean freedom, Orinda. If your heart hangs in darkness, outer freedom is just a vain.
My Anamika, so proud. You heart.
আমি চিঠিত
হলো oh something is cooking
Shit, man.
আমি চিঠিত চিঠিত
Who's there? Who's there?
কনভারসেশন এসে আমার ডান্সিং স্টার্ট করছিল। জ্যাংচামার মতন আরেকটা দেখছিলাম, এটাতে না, আরেকটা প্লেতে। এটা নজরুলের বউ।
নজরুলের বউ না এটা?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, বউ দেখি সব কিছু নিতে ভুলে যায়।
Suparna is free from her
পাখা নিয়ে আসার কথা।
2-year-long bondage. There is no sorrow in her untimely death. Rather, there is immense joy in the liberation she has attained.
তুই মজা পাইতেছিস না?
After Suparna's passing, Radha finds a small note in her bed,
কি জিনিস ভালো লাগছে?
which she delivers to Nicholas. It read, "After my death, open all the doors of this house that have remained closed all these years."
আজকে উইনার অ্যানাউন্সমেন্ট করে দেবে। ওরা আরো এর আগেও ভালো ভালো কিছু ছিল।
এটা দিচ্ছিল
মোট 6টা গ্রুপ, এর আগে 4টা হয়েছে।
ঠিক আছে, দুটো হবে।
এই যে এটা সহ 5 নম্বর, এরপর আর একটা হবে। They acted so well. ওই যেগুলো সবগুলো দেখতে থাকে পৃথ্বী ম্যাডাম, সোজা করে দেখবে।
তার ভয়েসটা
Who's
শুনলে
there? Anamika?
আপনি
Why
কি
are you
করেন
here?
রেগুলার?
Why, Mashima? Can't I come here with particular reason? I can see Oliver back. Isn't he at home?
Ask anything about him. I have suffered so much for this boy. Where is he? How is he? We don't know anything about him. Marthapura? The British police are here at the house. What? What are you saying, Raju? She isn't home either. Hey, Durgama. Now what shall I do?
রবীন্দ্রনাথ।
Where is Arindam Chatterjee?
Raju, take Mashima inside. Why? Why is he needed?
We suspect him of treason. He is a criminal.
You can't arrest anyone without any evidence. At least I thought the British police rules and regulations.
Do I have to learn the legal lessons from a weak woman of an uncivilized nation like the Indian cowards? Well then, let's learn.
Leave me! Leave me!
Take one more step and my sword will answer you.
Raju,
Calm down.
Raju, go inside.
Move from here, otherwise
Look,
I will
officer.
shoot you.
Impossible, Shahid. Either you will live or you will die today. Arindam wouldn't have said for no reason that you guys are blood-sucking monsters. You people buy arms with our money.
Shut up, you have said enough.
টেনশন মিলে গেল।
Raju!
Motherland, from the strongest. See my child. Let him go in a land without kings.
Is she crying?
How to stand against the British
এবার
tyrannical
হয়তো
power.
কিছুই বুঝতেছি না।
Vande Mataram!
Raju? Raju? Raju! You coward! freed. Today, my soul is freed. Arindam, if there is one Arindam, so what? What then? How could they stop Articulus Arindam? Abu Jalan Abdul Haq, light the fire.